attention to one specific thing in this HTML design, and that's the photo here. Who cares about what the photo is? But I want to show you something. As I decrease the size of the browser window, the image scales with it. So I can actually change that size with the size of the browser window. So let me show you how one of the ways, the simple way that I use to do that. That is with this image, the source, I'm telling it to scale it to 100% width. Okay, so what does that mean? That the width of the window changes. You notice how the paragraph sits there and reforms and reflows, but the image keeps reducing in size by the width in proportion to the width of the window. Okay, so as I put that width as 100%, it will give that to go pretty much the full width of the window. Now check this out. If I change it to 50% and I save that and then I refresh, now it's roughly half, or it's half of the window width. Okay, so you can actually do that um, and gain, one of those images that will change based on the width of your browser window. So that is a little quick tip. Feel free to try that one out. Maybe add in your own images. But again, I will point out one last thing. Notice I found an image that's online. That way I could put it in there and not have to worry about where I loaded it to and having to jump through those hurdles. So try that out, and I look forward to seeing your work.